Hello everyone. Today we will discuss a question which is asked in CSIR NET 2020 2016. Okay, this is a NMR spectroscopy, proton NMR spectroscopy question, which is very important for recent examination. Okay, so any type of examination like SET, GATE or IIT JAM also. Okay, this is the question is one is NMR spectrum of an organic compounds record and 500 megahertz spectrum shows a quadrant with line the positive position. This is okay respectively, and you find the chemical shift delta value and the coupling constant. Okay, coupling constant, that is J value in Hg or so this is the we know that the delta value is Hz by m Hz. Okay, that is instrument frequency and this is the total frequency. Okay, and this is reference frequency, and that's why we consider the reference the instrument frequency is given below. Okay, instrument frequency is given below, that is 500 megahertz. Okay, 500 megahertz, and and we know that this is a quadrant line. Okay, quadrant line means 4 lines. Okay, this is 0. Okay, chemical shift value, this is delta value. Okay, delta value in Hg. Okay, Hertz in H8. Okay, in case the 17 okay, total the four lines are given. Okay, this is the 0 to above, and this is 4 1 and this is 4 7. Okay, this last two digit are put it. Okay, 53 and 56. Okay, this line is called, this is the 0 2. Okay, this is TMS line. 0 to this lines is 1741, and this to this line distance between. Okay, this line distance between 1747. Okay, similarly distance between this third line 1753. Okay, and then distance between fourth line 1759. Okay, so so now 1 minute. Now we have to know that the total quadrate lines are one distance between, this is 0 to 0 to, that is one line, decide the one line, that's why the 1741 average, total average value 1747 plus 11754 53 and 1756 divided by total value or equals to 4, that is something 1750. I calculated already. Okay, I calculated already. We see that this is the value 1750 hertz. Okay, so that's why we call the 1057, that is the average value. Okay, so we do that the chemical shift value delta equals to chemical shift okay, chemical shift in hertz, okay, in hertz divided by instrument frequency, frequency, okay, in megahertz. So 1750 and megahertz already given, instrument frequency is given below, so 50. Okay, so hertz and megahertz. Okay, this is the something 3.5 ppm. Okay, this is the delta value. So this is the delta value 1.35. There have possibility of 2 option, they have possibility no, 3 and 4 not possible. Okay, so now the coupling constant J equals to any two nearby, any two value is deducted or reduced, we find the J value. Okay, J equals to 47 minus 41, something 170, okay, minus, that is 6. Okay, so 6 hertz, we know that is the 12 hertz, that is not possible. Okay, this is the final answer, this one. Okay, so this types of question are usually asked in CSIR NET GATE IIT JAM. So be forward. Okay, thank you so much. If you have any query, you can ask in comment section, we can help, I can help you. Okay, thank you so much.